Every company experiences turning points. These are the moments that redefine its trajectory. At Giridhar Pai Associates, we've had several such inflection points in our first 5 years. Here are 5 that have significantly shaped our company's journey. Our first inflection point was making direct factory shipments of FLYght Traps. Starting with no warehouse, we partnered with Pestroniks to dispatch FLYght Traps directly from their factory to our customers from the year 2020. This innovative GST-compliant arrangement has streamlined our operations and enhanced efficiency for the past 5 years. Our second inflection point was our first export to our Zambian customer. In 2022, we seized an opportunity to export to Nyama Soya in Zambia. Exports required us to obtain an importer-exporter code and navigate international shipping regulations. Since then, we've expanded our reach and exported 8 consignments to 3 countries. Our third inflection point was introducing Rodexit, India's only rodent proofing product. Following Dr. Raja Mahendran's suggestion, we introduced the Rodexit rodent seal to India in 2022. This innovative product, the only custom-made rodent proofing solution available in India, has quickly gained popularity. By November 2024, we had sold over 1,000 meters of Rodexit. Our fourth inflection point was relaunching the StoreGuard insect monitoring systems in India. After extensive discussions with Trese, the manufacturers, we convinced them to reinstate distribution of their StoreGuard pheromone traps and lures in India from 2024. By overcoming supply chain challenges, we restored access to this essential product line, making it our top seller in 2024. We are also proud that Trese has authorized GPA to distribute StoreGuard across Asia. Our fifth inflection point in October 2024 was launching PCT field guides in India. Recognizing the need for professional education in the pest control industry, we introduced Pest Control Technology magazine's field guides to India. Indian pest management professionals have welcomed these comprehensive guides, and we anticipate them becoming a key product line in the future. So in summary, these 5 inflection points have not only driven our growth but also shaped our commitment to innovation, customer satisfaction, and industry leadership. We are excited to continue our journey, exploring new opportunities and delivering exceptional pest control solutions. Do you want to learn more about GPA and our products? Visit our website today and contact us. Thank you.